So I'm going to explain you about, in depth, step by step, how to enable the join button. So if you see here, on your YouTube channel, so let's see how to go to YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube channel, so in this channel, you don't have a join button here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the join button for the members who are with me. So I'm going to show you how to add this. So if you go to your dashboard and if you click on the monetization button, so you will be able to see you are already enabled the video advertising and you will be seeing membership button over there. So you have to click on memberships, see more. So you have to do it one by one from this one to set up the membership offer. So click on start. So this is how it's look like. So they are given levels. So if you see here, they are giving 3 levels. If you go for 4 levels, it will be like this. If you are going for start from sketch, it's like this. If you want to give 1, you can do like this. I'm gonna give them 3 levels. So after this, this is how they are from the YouTube. They are explaining how to do this. So I'm putting next to this, and if you want, you can edit the price, the amount, and everything. So I'll keep as it is, and I will give them next. So it has been edited. So I have to give basic. Let's go for silver, gold, bronze. Yeah. So silver membership, and done. And here I'm gonna give gold membership. Done. And here I'm gonna give share, and I'm gonna make done. And I'm making done. So I'm clicking next to this. So I'm gonna put for review. So once I click on review, so before sending that, so I have to agree this. Let's see. To give my, just to verify, jsarnold.duke@gmail.com. The company name is Arnold, and I'm giving submit for review. So let's see what's gonna happen. I think it will take some time to get reviews. All good. Thank you guys. See you on another video. Cheers.